Hi there, my name is Eliana. Today I'm going to be showing you how to oil change a riding lawnmower. So first, the key you turn off, and then you turn the brake off, and then you lift up the hood, everybody, this is the dipstick, oil filter, and the drain plug. So you take off the drain plug lid, twist it, now, since the oil is draining, now we're going to take out the oil filter and then putting the new one on and then putting a little bit of oil around it. So now we put it on. Now I'm gonna close the drain plug and then close the cap. Now I'm gonna put oil into the engine. Now since I took that off, now I'm going to pour it in. Now since I'm done with the oil, now I'm going to dip the dipstick in and see that there's L for low and F for full. If it's to the L, it's low, so I'm going to have to pour more oil. If it's the F, I'm going to have to leave it. So, let's see. So, it is full. Now I'm going to stick it in. Now that we're done changing the oil, you guys make sure everything's tight and then close the hood and then you can mow your lawns. Bye.